Taun Bettis with the KSL Greenhouse Show with Sheriden Hansen at the USU Botanical Center, and we wanted to quickly talk about Black Lace Elderberry. Sheriden, this is a big plant. How long has it been in?
Oh, this has been in since 2015, and you can see how large it really is. People want to plant this in their landscape, not realizing it's big.
It's beautiful, and it has the red tinted leaves to it, and so people will sometimes use it as a Japanese maple substitute in full sun. Plus you get the berry production. If you are into food production, these will produce an edible berry on them, the elderberry. But it's one that I think could be planted more, but you need to be aware of the size. Any other comments?
You can also utilize the flowers as an edible as well. So people will make a tea or some kind of a flavored drink from them as well. So double dipping on the edible.
Thanks again for watching. Join us on Saturday mornings 8 to 11 on KSL 1160 and 102.7.